Hungry and hopeless? Future you is begging for burritos, so let's bulk prep. If you're tired of staring into the fridge like it owes you answers, Burritos to the rescue. I'm Tracy from Alberta, Canada, the part-time prepper, and let's bulk prep burritos. First, we're going to brown that ground beef and then drain off any extra fat. Then we're going to add scrambled eggs into those burritos. These are going to be breakfast burritos if you can't tell. I've added hash browns, which I've pan-fried in bacon fat until crispy brown. Then we're going to add the instant refried beans. You can use freeze-dried refried beans. You can add beans that you've canned yourself. You might want to add a little seasoning to those. Or you can buy cans of refried beans. You choose whatever's easiest for you. Use what you have. I used a combination of freeze-dried and canned out of my pantry. Then we're going to mix that all together. I've added peppers and onions too because we like that. And then it's just putting them together. The first few batches I made, I used an ice cream scoop with 3 scoops. They were the smaller tortilla wraps. I didn't have the actual burrito wraps the first couple times I made them. But then I cut out the step of adding the salsa and cheese separately, and I just mixed it right into the bowl. So these ones were a few extra steps, but the more I did them, the faster I got because I cut out steps. I didn't just want to make enough for my fridge, so I made loads of extra, put them in Ziploc bags and froze them, and then we just pull out 4 or 5 at a time. Remember, I have a house full of grown men who are burrito fanatics, so they go through these quite quickly, and I've been making them every other week. Sometimes I make 2 of the big Tupperware bowls full of the filling, and then I'll freeze 1 bowl or whatever's left over into a Ziploc bag so that I can use it up later. And here's the finished product. Yum! From thawed, we put them in the air fryer on reheat for 3 minutes in the parchment paper. Then we remove the parchment paper and air fry them for 3 minutes. Times and temperatures might vary.